This is my dad cutting the chicken.
We don't like the fat, so we gotta cut the fat away.
Yeah.
And we don't like the butt. No good.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
We're gonna save this part right here.
I don't feel comfortable.
What? The chicken?
I don't feel like a chicken is that small.
Yeah, man.
It seems bigger. So are those the feet?
No, these are the breasts. We're gonna put it right here. Then we're gonna cut this part right here. Only that part. So like that. Then we'll just debone this. You're breathing too hard.
Okay, Dad.
You know, we're gonna start making our own YouTube videos so we can make some money too. Yeah, man.
We need like 1,000 or 1,000,000 to do ad revenue.
Yeah, man. Let's start.
What?
Well,
Vlogging channel?
We might need this, the neck. Yeah.
We're gonna do a vlogging channel or a cooking channel.
I don't know. Whatever you want to do. You be my videographer and I'll be the co-star. You can be my co-star from time to time.
You're gonna need like a
Too
good
much fat.
You're gonna need a good camera. You're gonna need like.
Wait, we have cameras. Hold on, let me
You're gonna need some microphones, stuff.
put this over here. The good stuff.
I don't like that sound.
Then we're gonna clean the knife. Big pieces. You know, you want to know the See? Easy.
We're gonna be the first, and we're gonna be the first, or I think the first Hmong people that are gonna vlog.
There's more people that vlogs already.
Really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
On like YouTube or?
Okay, let's cut this up. Okay, this one right here. Let's go.
The breast.
The wings. We'll just do that. Throw that away. We'll save this for tomorrow.
We're gonna eat this today.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna save it if we don't finish it.
Tonight.
Damn.
That. These two right here. It's gonna a different pile.
So you're just gonna save this?
Yeah, if you want this.
No, I mean the video.
Or we could just go and then we'll cut this up. But we'll save these two for another meal.
So
That's
we're
it.
done.
That's how you cut the chicken up. Yep.
Goodbye, people.